What's going on, everybody? TG here. We back with another video. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Getting ready to get back into this trading week and make some big plays. One of the biggest plays that's going to happen this week is going to be with GameStop. Not AMC, but GameStop, because GameStop has earnings on the 8th. GameStop right now is currently trading at about $246. You guys haven't seen this for a while, the Robinhood account. We stopped using Robinhood a while ago, started using E-Trade. But as you guys clearly see, we did pretty good on our Robinhood account. 41K this year, and then for the other half year, about 6K. So $47,500 in the Robinhood account. Notice the big swings in about a couple days from being up 49,000 to being down about 2,000. So big swings in that, but we like that. So GameStop right now is expecting earnings, and they are expecting a loss, actually. A loss of 59 cents per share with revenue about 1.17 billion, which is about a 14% year-over-year growth. This is big for GameStop because this is fundamentals. This is showing something about GameStop that's different than what it's been used to, and this is fundamentals. If we look at GameStop, GameStop has not been trading on fundamentals at all recently. Since about January, when this whole big thing started, when it skyrocketed from $17, up massively over 2,000% to about $500, and then came crashing back down. But then in recent months has started to really ramp up again. Last earnings quarter was actually pretty good for GameStop. They did over $2 billion in revenue. They're actually profitable for the first time in a very long time. They did have some cash on hand. They've had a little switch up in the whole management team with Ryan Cohen. And now GameStop is, a stock worth talking about again, because it has had that run up, and it has, something fundamental coming up, which is earnings. So, we go ahead and look at it from a technical chart, and obviously GameStop is trading very high, on the fundamental level, but on the technical level as well, RSI levels are very high. If you actually look at the moving average as well, it is a little bit above that moving average right now. But if you look at it, from what we've seen over here, it's incredible to see that how this deviated completely from fundamentals and technicals all at once, with this whole push from wallstreetbets, who really pushed this stock up big, with the big short interest at one time being over 141%. So we see charts like this. I'm actually going to remove some of these right now just because I want to make it a little bit more clean for the chart. But essentially, we've seen just a massive amount of money being poured into GameStop, and it took GameStop from, if we look at the lows, $3.77 up to the highs of $4.83, not including pre-market hours when it was trading at $508. So again, you break down, the 1 year, especially on volume spikes, and it is just incredible to see the amount of volume bought at some of these times. 93 million, 178 million on some of these shares, 197 million shares traded. We've obviously it sank back down hard, but then it came clawing back, which is pretty impressive. Fell again and then just clawed its way back. Again, RSI is trading at a pretty high level, which is worrisome. But the biggest thing that's going to come down to is fundamentals. In the end, right now in the short term, we don't know, because markets can stay irrational longer than we can stay solvent. That's what they always say. And this is a perfect example of that. Fundamentally speaking, this is like a $4 or $5 company. But because of the hype and because of the movement of Wall Street bets and, their activist Ryan Cohen, on the management team, and GameStop now, trying to push out the old suits, we're seeing something different, and we're seeing a stock disconnected from fundamentals and valuations and all the metrics that real investors use. And now we're seeing again something totally different. So what this looks for in GameStop in the short term, and there's really no way of telling. But I'll tell you one thing: this earnings coming up is going to be huge for the company. Why? Because it's also going to be huge for traders. And when I say traders, I mean option buyers. And the reason I say that is because IV is going to spike up huge right before earnings. It always happens. And people can go ahead and take advantage of that, and really take advantage of selling premiums potentially on GameStop. So if you are very bullish on GameStop and you want to sell a put on it, you can make a very, very hefty amount of money. If you go and be safe and sell about a 230 put, you're still going to get $2,000 premium. You look at implied volatility, it's 257%. That's a good way to make some money if you're bullish on it. If you're bearish on it, you can always sell it call. You can sell a 260, you can sell a 300 strike price call to be safe. Again, you're going to need huge margin requirements to do that. With implied volatility of 287, most brokerage firms are going to require you to have about $300,000 cash or of buying power in order to do this. Even on my main account that has $100,000, I can't even do this. So, it's kind of crazy to see that. So, again, whether you're bullish or bearish, I think the best option in earnings reports is selling options, because you can get that, use that implied volatility and get a lot of premium from it. Plus, implied volatility is high as well because of the whole AMC thing. And we look at AMC for a second. We look at their chart and the implied volatility and all that. It's incredible. It's insane. You look at a call for AMC at a $50 strike price. Implied volatility is 522%. 522%. That is actually the highest I've ever seen in my entire life, is 522%. Puts are not too different. You look at a 43 put, it's 497%. 45 put, 505%. So again, the implied volatility is just absolutely insane on AMC, and those who play it right can make a fortune. So that's really what I'm going to be looking for with GameStop and everything that's going on with GameStop. But earnings are this week. It had a pretty good week. Last week was up a lot more at one point, around 290s, almost 300, and has pulled back since. So again, we'll have to see how everything happens, how everything pans out. But right now, I'd say your best bet is to sell options on this, if you are bullish or bearish. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I don't play GameStop. My main positions right now are tech that I am in, bullish on tech. So, we're selling long-dated options, long-dated call credits or put credit spreads on companies like Baba, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. But this is a good way to make some good profits and, to take advantage of this high implied volatility. So that is the stock on watch for this week. Thought I'd give you guys a little update on it because a lot's happening. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know how everything is going with you guys. We might actually open up this account again. Maybe do a little account challenge because deactivated. See how much you can make. I mean, we made, like I said, $47,500 or $47,100 on this account. Since 2019. Maybe go back and try that again. And see what we do. So about a year and a half, 47,500, pretty good percent return as well. Almost about 100% return on investment. So pretty good. We're in E-Trade now, trying to make some good money on that. But anyways, that's really about it, guys. GameStop's got a lot on its plate right now, and they're gonna have to do something. So hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you're excited to get back into trading. Futures right now are currently flat. So we'll have to see about that. Russell's down a little bit, but nothing too big, nothing too drastic. So yeah, guys, that's really about it. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Remember to like and subscribe, it means a ton to me. And I'll go ahead and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. But again, join the Discord and talk to us. Lots going on, and we would love you to be a part of that. So I'll link that in the description below. But again, join, come talk with us, totally free. We would love to have you. And we'll see what happens with GameStop. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. And take it easy. Bye-bye, guys.